My dear friends, have you ever in the morning seen a newspaper and the third page of the newspaper telling about what crime had taken place in your city? So this is the most inhuman part of the news, where it made us think that what might have happened, who committed this crime, what happened to the family members, who was the victim, who was the accused. So if you want to have an in-depth idea about how it works and how it is solved, welcome to my course. I am Professor Devashish Bose, Department of Criminology and Forensic Science, Dr. Harisingh Gour Vishwavidyalaya, Sagar, presenting you a 2-credit MOOC program on Basics of Forensic Science and Criminalistics. It will help us to introduce you to the world of solving a crime. Not even solving a crime, you can also be a warrior. You can prevent a crime happen, like preventive forensics. So, my dear friends, please enroll. Maybe you are a student, maybe your friends, maybe you just want to know how things happens, how we can prevent, we can prevent the society to be clean from this crime. So please enroll. You could be a professional also, from judicial services, from police services, from security services, from private detective agencies, from laboratories. Please enroll in this course and help us to take India to the Viksit Bharat 2047, a crime-free Bharat, where we will be doing great to this nation. Thank you.